Just went for a little drive to pick up some water and stuff at the grocery store, and look what happened. This table came sliding out, slammed open, then slammed back, and this came off completely. So now there's absolutely nothing to hold this in. So I'll try to figure out a solution while I'm at Walmart now. Kind of slowly picking up supplies one at a time as I find myself needing them. Just grabbed silverware tray, silverware, some more magnets to hang up blankets and stuff, and some soda water. So I bought some fabric at Walmart the other day and a bunch of magnets. I'm just kind of cutting it up. You can see that's usually windows behind me, but it looks pretty dark, pretty nice. And then in the kitchen here, there's that. It's really, I mean, it looked alright in that shot, but it's pretty janky in general. Definitely a temporary solution, but Walmart does have good, cheap, like, extra fabric. They sell it in like 2 or 4 yards. And this one over here and this one over here, all that was $4. And I'm gonna cut off the bottom of that and probably have enough to wrap the windows in the back too. So, cheap solution for sure. So I'm gonna turn off the lights in here and go to the outside and show you what it looks like from the outside real quick. Alright, last thing for the night, and then I'm gonna make some food, do some work, and call it a night. But temporarily fixing my drawer. Just went and bought silverware, so I just found a way to use some of that to keep it from flying out while I drive. 6:15 a.m. on the road again. Made it to Oregon. I'm on Highway 20, which leads me straight into Bend, and then straight into Sisters, which is where I'm actually headed today. Alright, I'm back in Bend. I stopped at my storage unit, which I'm actually going to clear out right now. And I'm glad I got the bus because it's got enough space to do so. And Kat is meeting me here with the key to my storage unit, and she's gonna get her first look at the bus. And you know, I've showed her pictures and we FaceTimed and stuff, but this will be her first in-person look at it. Hi. Here's the bus.
Wow, it does feel a little bit bigger than the other one.
Yeah, it's definitely larger than Brian's.
Cool jump seat. I did my hair for this occasion.
Oh wow, it does look good.
Wow, look at this though. Let me get the dogs.
I'm so excited to see my dogs. Here she comes. Go back. Hi, Mama. Hi. Hi. Quirksy boy. Hi. I missed you guys so much. I missed you so much. Hi, Mama. Come here. Come here. Hi. Hi. Go. You just did a bad angle. It's pretty easy than that.
Hi.
Hi, you guys. What do you guys think?
It's a lot of room.
If you like it, then keep wandering around. Oh, good dogs. They love it.
Hey.
Hi, Quirksy boy. So good to see you, buddy. Hi. That's Quirks. It's Cat's dog. Kopek, come here. This is Kopek. She's mine, but they're both kind of both of ours. Hi, Mama. You're so close to me. The camera can't see ya. I missed you so much. Okay. Okay. Welcome to the modification stages of the bus. We just mapped out some things that we're gonna do. Gonna just walk you through it real quick and then head to the lumber store. We are bringing this into our buddy Ransom tomorrow to get the electrical system worked out, and so we wanted to get a lot done today before we do that, so that when we get it back from him, we can kind of just pack it up and mostly get ready to go.
So unfortunately during travel, it looks like the faceplate for this pull-out butcher block counter slash desk work area just kind of popped off. It was just glued and I don't know, brad nailed, finish nailed. So what we are going to do is install the handles that match the rest of the handles hardware in here, and we're going to be screwing into this butcher block countertop plate first, and then that'll create like a nice finished look. A lot of this is just primer, and we will be doing another finish coat sort of throughout, but maybe not before we leave. We can probably do that on the road. Yeah, so that's this issue here. So the unfortunate truth about this is that this hinge is not quite happy living in this plywood here, so it decided to quit its job. Anyways, it's sort of in the way, this door is sort of in the way of pulling out the fridge. You can see it bumps there. Not our favorite design there. So what we've decided is we are going to try and create some sort of locking bracket system to keep this C-head composting toilet slide from moving and sliding out, and we're going to use like a thick curtain instead, and I think just a permanent fix behind this faceplate of the garage here should work out just fine, because then it's just about moving the curtain over, unlocking this, pulling it out if we decide to use it or need to use it. I'm pretty sure we're going to be only using this as an emergency toilet option anyway.
So we decided we wanted to create additional storage here, so we're going to be building a thing that fits some of these cubbies. It just so happens that it works out pretty perfectly, and we'll have even a little extra space. We also are going to change the hinges on this, we're pretty sure, so that it folds out this way rather than over this way, because we can't really prop it up or anything. And then our cupboard here is also going to act as kind of a backrest for when you're sitting on this seat here. You'll be able to kind of lean back against it, because currently it's kind of a far distance to lean back against. So we'll maintain the storage down here. It'll be a little bit more difficult to access, but we're going to gain all this vertical storage. It's going to go all the way up to here. So we've got some measurements and some plans drawn out, just really rough, just took the measurements now. So I had the idea of using the shower kind of doubled as a closet. We probably will use this shower maybe once a week, if that. We're not really sure. We currently don't shower more than once a week. So I got this little like curtain, or not curtain rod, but like closet rod hanger thing that is removable. One side you can pop it out and it's removable, so I want to hang that in here somewhere so we could do like jackets and hanging clothes in here, and then we'll also have a curtain outside of that. So we'll install this onto the wall, seal it, caulk it up real good so that we don't have to risk any leaks through any of this, and then we have closet space as well.